Hey guys, so we're at the Despos food truck, like literally over by the bus station, and I got a breakfast burrito, and I'm currently waiting, so let's try it. Alright, so far so good. We got the size of my face. We're living. Okay, but we are off to destination number 2, because mama ain't sitting out in the cold eating that. I don't know why I don't have any sound in this clip, but here's me trying it. And then I need hot sauce, so I guess I'll be right back, guys. Alright. Secure the bag, y'all. Round 2. Food truck for life, baby.